Welcome everyone. Today we're having a look at the MPB3021AT, which is a 2.16 gigabyte Fujitsu hard drive from the mid-90s. It sure was a clunker. As you can see there, we've got the Australian IBIS, where there was some paperwork. I used my pretty cool Photoshop skills. And if we have a look at the post-it note, look at this message. It's cryptic. And it's a bit blurry. But the gist of it was 32 megahertz crystal at X1. Thanks, Nick. Here's the actual hard drive itself. We've got a few photos just of the hard drive and the underside of the hard drive. Very thrilling, very thrilling. This video is a video about nothing, just in case you were wondering. We're only 2 minutes in at this point. It's fine. There's the underside. So these are quite high resolution photos. So if you want to get a close-up of that, zoom in. I think that's how it works. You can see there that this is actually when a crystal has been added on to X1, which is wedged in between those 3 microchips at the back. Whether it's the right crystal, I'm not sure. From memory, we weren't sure if it was 32 kilohertz or 32 megahertz that it needed to be. What would happen is you'd plug the hard drive in and it just wouldn't do anything. And then we realized the crystal was just knocked straight off the board. Being a 2 gigabyte hard drive, we were of course curious as to whether it worked. So we ordered a 32 megahertz crystal, installed it at X1, and well, it did that clicking thing that we heard earlier. There's that photo. No, it's a different angle. It's the same angle. It's just closer to the back. I had a new camera at this point. I was not very good at doing things with it. I've since just gone back to an iPhone because, let's be honest, I don't want to carry a camera around with me everywhere. Look at that soldering job. That was amazing. I think we ordered a crystal that had legs on it. X1, X-Tal. It's an X-Tal crystal. And there's some more shots of the crystal, just emphasizing how poor of a job it was. Oh, really? More? This is just rubbing it in. How many photos did I take? Some date codes on the chips nearby, 9807, so early 1998. Week 7, 1998. That's not too bad. For a 2 gigabyte, jeez. My first hard drive was a 30 gigabyte. At least the one that I had. Oh, thank God it's over. Okay, good. Oh no. Then we tried to do data recovery to see if there was anything on there. Oh, this was painful. All that clicking that you could hear before, that was this running. For 4 days, I think. It was at work, so I wasn't too fussed about the noise or energy consumption. But as you can see there, the numbers are changing every 2 seconds because that's how often the image changes. Man, this really is a video about nothing. Oh, I guess I could talk about DD Rescue. That's kind of fun. There's DD Rescue, that's one word, and DD_Rescue, which is different. DD Rescue from memory is the GNU version. I'm running in Ubuntu here. Probably would have been, I want to say 20.04. Wasn't Jammy Jellyfish, I don't think. Then again, it could have been. Actually, no, it would have been Jammy Jellyfish because this was 2022. This is October 2022. Very busy. As you can see, the numbers are going up, which is absolutely thrilling. But I got really sick of it running at about 98%, I think it was. So I interrupted it. I think I did anyway. Yeah, there we go. 4 days. The drive itself had a few bad blocks. Unreadable parts of the drive. So we ran DD Rescue. These are out of order. They should have been at the beginning. That's the command I run. GNU, yeah, there you go. That's the setup, so it's quite beautiful. We were cloning from the 2 gigabyte to one of those 2 drives that are plugged in, which also had issues. That's a photo of the drive from the top. We're using a mouse with a ball in it, which is really cutting edge. This computer does support USB, but we choose to use the ball mouse. This is what happened, the smart stats from after it had been running for a while. Yeah, that smart status was bad, which isn't terribly surprising. So I tried erasing it. And we had some W's in there, which is not good. And there's the Australian ibis again, because pile of paperwork to be shredded. Nope, here's the outro. I better sign off. Shane McRetro signing off. We'll see you in the next video. This is another hard drive I broke. I think this was a 2 terabyte. Amazing what a few decades will do. Really does miniaturize the tech. Anyway, this is Shane McRetro signing off. Till next time.